Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Printer users face many types of problems such as not printing, printer error, sometimes page gets jammed, sometimes double page is printed. These kinds of problems are faced. Besides, no printer installed for one more problem, and that's why the printer doesn't show who is installed in computer. How can solve the problem? We will see if we can fix it. Stay tuned. We see the error when we go to printer search option and right here control panel and click control panel. Then we find device and printer and go to the printer and right click and here printer preference and click see what's printing. You see the error. The local print spooler service is not running, and when we go to print we see no printer installed instead of printer. First of all, we go to search option and right here services and find here print spooler. Click here and you select automatic and start and OK. Once again we go to search option and right here Windows update settings. Here you select Windows update settings and you go to troubleshoot and here additional troubleshoot. Click printer and run troubleshoot. Here you find your printer, which one? It's your printer. So click and next. After that you can go to restart and when start the PC you try to print one more. Something we can write here and see this printer is ready for use. You can see. Select here A4 and go to print. You will see the result. If you got any benefit from this video, then please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe.